How to make money from home using the Cryptex Referral program. This is a program that I've been involved in since November of 2023. It is a very lucrative program. Earn more when you help others earn with you. Whether you are an investor or a crypto enthusiast, you can invite people with your unique referral link through the Crypto Referral program and earn unlimited commissions. And we'll go over that here in a moment. Why to start the Cryptex Referral program? Well, the Cryptex Referral program is not an ordinary program. It allows you to earn up to 20 levels within your referral network, lifetime, and the referral program helps you as well as your referrals earn higher income and add value to the network itself. What are Cryptex referral bonuses? A Cryptex referral bonus is exactly what it sounds like. You get rewarded for referring your friends to Cryptex, the Cryptex site itself, and it's a very easy way to earn quite a bit of money. Cryptex referral program highlights: start working with this program and you will need to generate a personal network. And I can actually show you that link in the description below. There are specific referral links, and there's what we call ambassador links and community leader links. So as you can see, in the first passive income, well, I really don't like to say passive. It's really a residual income. Okay, passive income basically means that you just sit back and do nothing and money comes in. Well, you actually have to put a little bit of effort into maybe telling friends or family, promoting it on a website in various ways, and also with videos like this on YouTube and or Rumble and other platforms. And you can earn up to 20 levels, unique personal referral link, worldwide availability, 24/7 daily reward payout. And believe me, I've had plenty of payouts already that some are automatic, some go into the back office, into your contract that builds. And then it's available in your wallet immediately so that you can withdraw. And then there's no obligation. Termination options can apply if you decide to stop promoting. No hidden fees or anything like that to sign up. It's free to sign up. And also, let's go to the second passive part. They give basically the same information, but for ambassadors, there are 3 ambassador levels, and participation in the total profit with a complete downline is really where you start to really amplify your earnings. The rewards will be paid bi-weekly. There's no obligation to attend, and termination for options also apply here, lifetime rewards, and there's no limits. And also, to become a leader, there are 5 leader levels available to complete the downline. Okay, so you definitely want to at least take a look at this. It's free to sign up. Click in the link in the description below. As you can see, this is for the regular user. If you just want to sign up and just refer people, you get up to 20 levels. Say, for instance, I sign someone up and they purchase a contract. Okay, and that contract purchase, I get 30% of the $100 purchase that they make. So I get $30 right off the top. And then they sign someone else up, okay? And then that person purchases a contract. Well, I get 8% of that purchased contract, which is another $8. So the people that I sign up, if I'm trying to help them promote this as well, you can still make a residual income up to 20 levels. Okay, so this is a very basic and very simple way of looking at earning residual, not passive, but residual income online. Residual basically meaning, as I said below or earlier, that you have to put a little bit of effort in. Consistent effort is more important. Okay? So say, for instance, you did a video once a week on this and promoted your link. I guarantee you would start building a network of people that are under you. Now, the ambassador level is something that comes after you have been promoting for a while, and you can apply to this company to earn ambassador earnings, which click in the link in the description below and you'll get all of that information in a separate video and a separate website page, which is called bitcoinprofits.info. And there's another video there that gives you all the information on specifics of how to do that. Okay, so there are 3 levels to this. 10% to 30% rewards, 3-tier level, and you get this automatically. Once you make a sale and or a referral, then that goes into your back office immediately, which you can then extract. So click on the link in the description below and go to an information page called bitcoinprofits.info. You will see this page right here, the Cryptex review. You want to click on this video right here to watch it in its entirety. It's approximately, I think, 40 minutes, but it gives you detailed listing of specifically how simple this process is in the cryptocurrency space. And then once you're interested, click the join link here now and you will come to this page here, and it's free to sign up. You put in your email, your password. Make sure that that's a good email, and make sure you remember your password, because once you sign up for a contract, because that's the one requirement, you need at least one contract to be able to refer others. Then you want to make sure that you protect your email and your password, because whenever you want to make a withdrawal, you have to provide your email and they will connect with you that way. And once you sign up for free here, that's all it takes. And make sure that you check out this video here, because it's very important for you to understand the simple process, but also there's a lot of detail that goes into it, okay? So click on the link in the description below if you're interested in learning how to earn money online through the Cryptex platform.